Morning everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Today is the 6th of August, which, whilst not extremely significant, it is the 1 year anniversary of me taking on my plot. So I thought I'd do a bit of an impromptu stroll just to show a bit of comparison. And while some things do remain the same on the site itself, there's a lot of things that are different. So let's just turn the camera around and have a little look. Won't be a long video. So yes, we still have some of the old machinery and a couple of old sheds on the site. There's still remnants of the bonfire and a little bit of long grass, but since the new owners came in, it's a bit more maintained, and this is now my plot. Obviously it would have been nice to have had that fixed, but got no staples for the staple gun. So when we first took the plot on, it was, well, waist high in weeds and grass, but now it's doing pretty well. Still got issues with the moles. I'll show you this section. Now look at that. But that's working in the countryside for you. So as it stands at the moment, we got the peppers and chili peppers. There's some spinach on the go, and kale and cabbages. Got Brussels sprouts, celery, fennel, landcress, pumpkins, more pumpkins. Got popping corn on the go, sweet corn on the go, remnants of some Swiss chard there. Got the main crop potatoes. There's peas and beans still planted in there, which are yet to germinate. Purple sprouting broccoli, some kohlrabi, there's some turnip. Got plenty of dahlias up here. More cabbage, parsnips, leeks, more pumpkins, squash, butternut squashes, chrysanthemums. Built myself a runner bean pergola. Got a pumpkin. Made a little bench. Made some compost bins and levelled out the whole site and put paving on the whole site. Made all of these beds out of scaffold boards and alkathene water pipe, and then just covered each one with insect mesh. As the last year has gone by, I've done quite a few videos from here, all on my YouTube channel. So if anything's of interest, then please take a look there. And as you can see, the old polytunnel is still there, still needs working on. Plenty of wildlife, peace and quiet, other than me talking. Tractor parked up the top there. Let's have a little zoom in, and they're busy putting in a new fence and setting out what will be the paddock for the donkeys. And then you got the orchard, looking better, mainly because I've been doing the pruning on it. My shed all kitted out with loads and loads of garlic hanging up and onions in the crates. Oh, and a little mirror to check your hair. There. So, the 1 year anniversary. Gone around quickly. A lot of changes. And what I'll do is I'll put the link on for the original video so that you can see just how things have changed. Quite nice actually, quite nice having a little watch of it this morning. Yeah, it's amazing how you forget. Anyway, that's me signing out, so enjoy your day, enjoy being outside till the next proper video, and there you go, bye for now.